these are the kids' favourites. Not necessarily the ones they're asked for, but they're definitely the ones you should make an offer because they will like them probably better than some of the things that they will suggest. Hi, I'm Joy/Fairy from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. Welcome to this channel where I aim to entertain you to entertain kids. Don't waste your time making balloons that the kids don't actually like. Stick to this channel full of playlists and videos of the best simple and quick and most loved balloon models. We're going to start off with these 5 balloons that should be the first ones you learn to make. In the description box below and at the end of the video, I'll share those playlists with you. But here they are, made for you in super fast time, not sped up, so you can see how quick they are to pump out. The sword.
Hey yo, are you ready to get this party started?
The butterfly.
I got a magical word that's gotta be heard. And it makes the party start, so spread the word. Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout.
Kids won't necessarily ask
Raise
for a
your arms and wave
butterfly,
them all
but they
about.
love it. The dog.
So let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow? So spread the word. Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow?
And a sword gun. And a bonus one that you really need to learn is the unicorn because it will be asked for a lot.
Hey yo, are you ready to get this party started? I can't hear you. Are you ready to get this party started? Alright. I got a magical word that's gotta be heard. And it makes the party start, so spread the word. Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow? Let's get the party started. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got a magical word that's gotta be heard. And it makes the party start, so spread the word. Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow?
I've done better ones than that before. I've done all of these much slower, so don't worry about that if you've missed it. If you want to see the top 5 most requested balloons, which you should also learn how to make, then you want to go to that playlist, which I put at the end. If that was helpful to you, I'd like to know. Put it down in the comments below. And all the best on your ballooning journey.